Our bite of the week comes from Greater Portmore High School teacher Tracy Ann Lewis. She was decrying the overpowering stench from a nearby NWC sewage treatment plant. On Wednesday, teachers staged a sick-out, contending that the issue has been long-standing and needs urgent attention. Here's our bite of the week.
Sometimes when you're in the class, the stench is so high, it interrupts the entire lesson. It is as if the stench goes down inside of you. You can't talk, you can't breathe, you just have to lean up on the board because you feel like you're about to pass out.